Epoxy will change your life.
Hey guys, this is Nick Jensen with Extreme Polishing Systems. Today we're going to be wrapping up an 8,000 square foot metallic floor at the 30,000 square foot athletic facility we've been working at. We're going to be going over some of the products we use to create this floor, such as the epoxy kits and the epoxy pigments. This is Justin Pagan, one of our legendary epoxy artists. He's going to be the one dropping this floor today. As you can see here, he's getting all of these epoxy kits ready and in order, pre-mixed with radiant pink, charcoal metallic, satin white gray metallic, and liquid black epoxy. Our guy here is using a drill for the mixing, because if you tried mixing this entire project with a stick, your arm would fall off. As you can see, Justin's over here pouring out the epoxy in different ribbons and layers. He's going to then come back and mix these all together. The reason he's putting out a bunch of kits at one time is because this is such a large-scale project. He has to get this down as quickly as he can, so he has enough working time to make sure all the epoxy is spread throughout the floor. Justin is now using an 18-inch roller to spread the product across the floor. Now he's being careful to mix and blend the colors, but he's not over blending them. He's making sure they touch the floor. The epoxy itself is going to self-level and melt in perfect fashion. Now to top it all off, Justin is using some of our fine powder glitterati rainbow glitter to sprinkle on top of the floor to mix in with the Rockhard USA epoxy, and in the final shot you'll see really what it does. After all is said and done, we came back and applied our liquid quartz T2000 top coat, which ensures durability and minimalizes scratches on the surface and makes for easier maintenance. Thank you guys for checking in with us. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good one.